Hey, welcome to the third episode of Double Impact. We are not same, bro. In the meantime, let me have some water. Hey, thanks for this half-filled glass.
No bro, it is half empty.
Bro, you got an opportunity to present it. After 3 years, you got some time. Just
No,
make
bro.
it fast.
Probably
in 2 hours you can
it's
do
only
it.
just 2 hours there in the presentation. I cannot do it. It's very tough because if they laugh, if they point out any mistake in my presentation, what will happen? No, I cannot do it, bro. No. You can take. I mean, on my behalf, you also want to do it, right? Along with me. Anyhow, I got the opportunity. Now you can take.
Wow. Thanks, bro. It is there 2 hours, it's okay, but yes, I will give my best. Whatever I have learned in these 3 years, I will keep that in my presentation and I will deliver. Thanks for that.
Okay. All the best.
Bro, you told you have a good idea, right? I even liked it about the business. So why can't we start a
No,
startup?
bro. Almost 90% startups will fail. How can we start startup and all right now? It's very tough. And even you know that, right? We will be bankrupted. You can see our friend. He has bankrupted. It is not possible. Even though we have 10 lakhs in our savings, but it's not possible now. It is very tough. We may go without money as well. Even we will go bankrupt and we will not be having money at the last. We cannot do it.
That's correct. But yes, we can work on our goals. We can make our scheduled tasks and we can do it, bro. It's okay.
No, it is not possible.
We can go for a calculated risk. That is also fine. We can make up our goals periodically so that we can achieve them. Even though statistics are there, I agree with you, but the 10% people are there, right, who have achieved it.
Bro, we lost our job and there is only 2 months of grace period for us. It's very depressing, bro. I cannot take this. I have a lot of liabilities on me. It's very tough for me. I'm getting so depressed. I can't do anything. I'm completely no one without job. I don't know. I'm depressed now.
Yes, bro, you're correct, but it's okay because it is life. Because of pandemic, we also should understand the companies are in losses and all. Yeah, I know that. I'm also going to lose the job in 2 months. We can figure it out. We have a lot of experience. We can go for any online teaching if you want. It's up to you. And if we can try other jobs as well. There are a lot of openings for the other companies. We can just try them, right? It's okay. Otherwise, we can start we can join any teaching coaching centers and all to upskill ourselves. And in the meantime, we can try for new jobs. It's okay, bro. It's okay, but yes, we have to move on.
No, bro.
With
My
whatever
5
we have.
years experience, I can't do all this. What my society and all people will think. No, bro. I'm getting so depressed.
I think you saw the difference between optimistic and pessimistic. So both of them has different views, but both of them are right according to their scenarios, according to their thinking. But be optimistic in your life because pessimistic behavior can lead to depression. Yes, everyone has their hardships, everyone are struggling in their life, but be optimistic. Have patience. Patience is the major key to live in this competitive world. Definitely, there will be ups and downs in your life as well, but yes, you have to make yourself optimistic. Then only results will come. I hope you loved this video. If you love this video, please do like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Thank you. Have a nice day.